All right, so today project, this is a simple project. What we'll be doing is installing a new emblem for the rear tailgate. So this is for the Tesla Model Y. You can do this for the 3, S, X, the Refresh X if there's space. I don't think they have that design yet, but essentially this mimicked the design of the Roadster 2.0 concept. And we just wanted to test this out. We will be blocking out all the emblems, the front and the rear. We're going to start off with the Tesla emblem in the rear, removing the emblem and installing this Tesla wording in replacement. So this one, I'll post a link where you can find it. It has a little groove here where you will just insert it on the bottom of the T emblem. So you just align that, make sure it's straight. And once you are here, you take off the emblem. The only tools you really need is either fish line or this J&J floss to take off them. If you have a hair dryer or a heat gun, that's helpful. But today it was in the 80s, 90s, so the car is pretty heat up. So I don't have to worry about getting a hair dryer or a heat gun to remove the emblem, the OEM emblem. Microfiber cloth, some slip solution in case your car is dirty. You just want to rinse it down. And before you're here, anything you want 70% isopropanol, so rubbing alcohol. And then apply this, and it should stick on fairly firmly. So this is a black finish. I believe this is a chrome blackout finish. It's not metal, it's a black plastic. It feels like plastic, but we'll take it out and see. And that's really it. So we'll start off with cleaning off the car with this slip solution. So just baby shampoo from J&J, Johnson & Johnson, and just dilute it with water. So I use this to apply PPF. I'm gonna use this just to clean the car, wipe it down with microfiber cloth, let it dry, and then apply some alcohol, just clean off the surface. And then adhere this emblem. And then we'll show you how to remove the old emblem as well. What you want to do, clean off the surface. I didn't wash this car for almost a month and a half. I wanted to see how strong the bond is with the Adams ceramic coating and see how easy to wash. So we'll plan to wash it in the next week or so, and we'll do a follow-up video on that. But let's go ahead and clean off this car, at least this area here where we will be installing the new emblem. Wipe this down. Again, we have PPF in the car. Don't recommend this, but just wash your car and then apply the emblem. You can do a test run by just placing it there, see how far it can stretch out. And now with the alcohol bottle, you will be wiping down that surface area where you will be applying the Tesla emblem. So 70% isopropanol, 70% rubbing alcohol. Let's get a good spray on there. Okay, so under each letter, just make sure you take the same measurement across the T, E, S, L, A, okay? So when you remove it, it's evenly aligned. So next what you want to do is remove the taping from the rear of the emblem. Just be careful not to take the actual emblem off with the tape, and then start from the middle. And then work your way across between the right side and the left side. Okay, once you have it on there, go ahead and give it a good press. Okay, so now remove the tape and your emblem should stick on there. So this is a gloss finish. Seems to be on there pretty good. And now, time to take off this emblem using Johnson & Johnson Cool Mint Listerine floss. So you want to get the thick floss that they have. Cuts right off. Okay, so I got the emblem off just with floss, any type of heat gun. But if you live in a warm climate, you can just slowly just rub it off with your fingers, your thumb. Just roll it off. And then after you roll it off, you can get some alcohol or glue gun, and this will come right off. Okay, so I was able to get the old emblem off by just rubbing it off with a microfiber towel, and I finish it off with some glue gun. So if you don't have glue gun, just go ahead and use some heat, but make sure you wipe this completely off so it doesn't mess up your clear coat. And now we will just remove the painter's tape where we use this to align. And that is it. It took maybe about 15-20 minutes to get this installed. And I think it looks much better, well, different. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments, whether you like this look or you like just the plain T emblem. Again, link in the description where you can find this. Thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe. Catch you all next time.